So hello everyone, this is 2019 RRB Pharmacist question paper grade 3 with answers. So let's get started. Calcitonin is secreted by A. Patheroid, B. Adrenals, C. Thymus, D. Thyroid. Correct answer is option D. Thyroid. How much temperature should be maintained during the most heat sterilization? A. 151 degrees Celsius, B. 91 degrees Celsius, C. 121 degrees Celsius or D. 181 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is option C. 121 degrees Celsius. Satpura National Park is situated in which state? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is option A. Madhya Pradesh. Liquid membrane systems are also called as A. Aquasomes, B. Nanocapsules, C. Multiple emulsions, D. Virosomes. Correct answer is option C. Multiple emulsions. Sigma minus method is used to determine A. Metabolic rate constant, B. Absorption rate constant, C. Exhalation rate constant, D. Elimination rate constant. Correct answer is option D. Elimination rate constant. Capsid is present in A. Fungi, B. Virus, C. Bacteria, D. Protozoa. Correct answer is option B. Virus. Willingness to strive for the goals of a particular group is termed as A. Halo effect, B. Appraisals, C. Morale, D. Constitution. Correct answer is option C. Morale. Estimation of serum creatinine is considered to be more reliable indicator for the evolution of A. Liver function, B. Kidney function, C. Lung function, D. Gastric function. Correct answer is option B. Kidney function. In this question, the relationship between different elements is shown in the statement. This statement follows A. Only 1 and 2 follow, B. None follows, C. All follows, D. Only 2 and 3 follows. Correct answer is option C. All follow. Which one of the following is basic chemical test to identify anthracene glycosides in alloys? A. Modified Born-Traeger test, B. Killer-Kelani test, C. Born-Traeger test, D. Legal test. Correct answer is option A. Modified Born-Traeger test. In certain code language, if apple is coded as SDSHO, then how DOUBT coded in that language? A. RGXWE, B. WLFYG, C. XFYSH, or D. GRXEW? Correct answer is option A, RGXWE. For preparation of cod liver oil emulsion, the ratio of oil water gum required is A 0.2, 0.2, 0.1, B 0.4 is to 0.2 is to 0.1, C 0.1 is to 0.2 is to 0.1, D 0.3 is to 0.2 is to 0.1. Correct answer is option B, 0.4 is to 0.2 is to 0.1. The ratio of number of girls to boys in a school of 3600 students is 39 is to 41. How many more girls should be needed to admit it to make ratio 1 is to 1? A 90, B 110, C 80, D 100. Correct answer is option A, 90. By which bond amino acid are joined together? A dipole-dipole, B ionic, C hydrogen, D amide. Correct answer is option D, amide. Hammer mill work on the principle of A cutting, B impact, C compression, D attraction. Correct answer is option B, impact. Irritation of rat tail is observed by after administration of A non-opioid analgesic drug, B COX-1 inhibitor, B opioid analgesic drug, D COX-2 inhibitor. Correct answer is option C, opioid analgesic drug. Sodium bicarbonate is commonly known as A caustic soda, B Rachel salt, C baking soda, D Epsom salt. Correct answer is option C, baking soda. The band of the colored component of a light beam is called its A accommodation, B range, C spectrum, D form. Correct answer is option C, spectrum. Dash is synthetic polymer. A caprolactine, B gliadin, C pullulan, D chitosan. Correct answer is option A, caprolactone. By selling a CPU for rupees 6,785, a man makes a profit of 15%. At what price should we sell to make the profit at 25%? A 7,275, B 7,475, C 7,575, D 7,375. Correct answer is option D, 7,375. Brownian motion is observed if the particle size is reduced: A 6 micron, B 8 micron, C 2 micron, D 4 microns. Correct answer is option C, 2 microns. Heterocyclic compounds are A acyclic compound, B cyclic compound, C open chain compound, D non-cyclic compounds. Correct answer is option B, cyclic compounds. Under which schedule good manufacturing practice of Ayurveda, Siddha and all Unani drugs are described? A as Schedule Z, B Schedule T, C Schedule S, D Schedule M. Correct answer is option B, Schedule T. Dehydration of alcohol leads to the formulation of A alcohol, B ether, C ester, D aldehyde. Correct answer is option B, ether. Sound cannot travel in A water, B air, C vacuum, D steel. Correct answer is option C, vacuum. The reaction between an acid and base to give a salt and water is known as dash reaction. A nucleophilic, B double decomposition, C combustion, D neutralization. Correct answer is option D, neutralization. A document or a set of documents that serve the basis of the batch documentation is called as A master formula, B calibration, C master record, D consignment. Correct answer is option C, master record. Synonym for Indian squill is A arrow poison, B sea onion, C licorice root, D yam. Correct answer is option B, sea onion. Buffer are added in the sterile product to maintain A viscosity, B ionicity, C sterility, D pH. Correct answer is option D, pH. Chapter 3 of Drug Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rules 1945 gives information about A Drug Technical Advisory Board, B manufacture, sale and the distribution of drug cosmetics, C important drugs and cosmetic, D provision relating to Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. Correct answer is option C, import of drug and cosmetics. The CMC section of investigational new drug application should be bound in A black press board binder, B red polythene binder, C green press board binder, D orange press board binder. Correct answer is option C, green pressboard binder. In HPLC, while supplying mobile phase by medical pump, which device is required to smooth out the pulses? A. Injection, B. Gauze, C. Temperature, D. Damping. Correct answer is option D. Damping. The Chada Cup is related to which game sports? A. Cricket, B. Badminton, C. Football, D. Chess. Correct answer is option B. Badminton. BCG vaccine is a bovine strain of A. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, B. Salmonium typhi, C. Hepatitis virus, D. Parainfluenzing virus. Correct answer is option A. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Correct answer is option B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which among the following is also known as Council of States? A. Corporation Assembly, B. Lok Sabha, C. Legislative Assembly, D. Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is option D. Rajya Sabha. In differential thermal analysis, a record is made up of A. Energy input, B. Moisture difference, C. Temperature difference, D. Mass difference. Correct answer is option C. Temperature difference. A test which measures the ability of a compound to diminish the concentration of sugar in the blood is A. Hyperglycemic test, B. Glucose tolerance test, C. Liver function test, D. Hypoglycemic test. Correct answer is option D. Hypoglycemic test. Spreading coefficient is a factor to be considered in the preparation of A. Lotion, B. Elixir, C. Ointment, D. Solution. Correct answer is option A. Lotion. The Chief of Election Commissioner of India is appointed by A. Prime Minister, B. Chief Justice of India, C. President, D. Vice President. Correct answer is option C. The President. Which type of major volatile compound is contained in the cinnamon? A. Ketone compound, B. Phenolic compound, C. Ester compound, D. Aldehyde compound. Correct answer is option D. Aldehyde compound. Electroreducible substance can be determined by A. Amperometry, B. Potentiometry, C. Calorimetry, D. Conductimetry. Correct answer is option A, amperometry. Conceptual skills deals with A, people, B, process, C, things, D, ideas. Correct answer is option D, ideas. Astrocytes are present in A, blood cerebrospinal fluid barrier, B, blood placental barrier, C, blood brain barrier, D, cell membrane barrier. Correct answer is option C, blood brain barrier. What is the full form of CNG in controlling vehicular pollution? A, combined natural gas, B, compressed natural gas, C, common natural gas, D, combined nitrogen gas. Correct answer is option B, compressed natural gas. Who introduced the mutation theory? A, Clemenceau Golgi, B, Edward Jenner, C, von Baer, D, Hugo de Varis. Correct answer is option D, Hugo de Varis. Absorption of IR radiation by molecules cause changes in A, vibrational energy, B, spinal reversible of nuclei, B, rotational energy, C, electronic energy. Correct answer is option A, vibrational energy. The internal device which can be used to store information in A, floppy disk, B, CD, C, USB flash drive, D, hard drive. Correct answer is option D, hard drive. Find the next number in the series 61, 73, 66, 78, 71. Option A 93, option B 83, option C 73, option D 77. Correct answer is option B 83. Aspirin should be used with the caution in A, fever, B, asthma, C, headache, D, tachycardia. Correct answer is option B, asthma. A lady stands on the road facing the east direction. She turns 48 degrees in clockwise direction and 72 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. Which direction is she looking at now? A, northeast, B, northwest, C, southwest, D, southeast. Correct answer is option A, northeast. Ligands are the constituent of A, pomegranate, B, soy, C, lycopene, D, flaxseed. Correct answer is option D, flaxseed. Absorption of the radiation can be measured by using A. Flame photometry, B. Volumetry, C. Spectrophotometry, D. Polarimetry. Correct answer is option C. Spectrophotometry. Liquid oral preparation of which one of the two large doses of about 50 ml are given in a single dose container is known as A. Linctus, B. Tinctures, C. Draughts, D. Drops. Correct answer is option C. Draughts. Apparent bulk density is expressed in terms of A. ml/g, B. percentage, C. g/ml, D. O. degree Celsius. Correct answer is option C. g/ml. Which one of the following is not radiation obtained from radioactive compounds? A. Beta, B. Epsilon, C. Gamma, D. Alpha. Correct answer is option B. Epsilon. Smallpox vaccine is A. bacterial vaccine, B. toxoid, C. antiserum, D. viral vaccine. Correct answer is option D. Viral vaccine. Which compound is present in ashwagandha? A. Steroidyl glycosides, B. Steroidyl lactone, C. Terpenoid glycosides, D. Terpenoid alkaloids. Correct answer is option B. Steroidyl lactone. Antimony potassium tartrate is commonly known as A. Tartar emetic, B. Epsom salt, B. caustic soda, D. Rochelle salt. Correct answer is option A. Tartar emetic. Commonly used spice clove is obtained from A. flower bud, B. rhizome, C. root, D. leaf. Correct answer is option A. flower bud. Indicate the problem in the dosage form when camphor and menthol are added together. A. effervescent, B. deliquescent, C. hygroscopic, D. eutectics. Correct answer is option D. eutectic. A train passes a station platform in 54 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 38 seconds. If the speed of the train is 29 ms, what is the length of the platform in meter? A. 458, B. 462, C. 456, D. 464. Correct answer is option D. 464. 1950 boys and 1300 girls are examined in a test. 42% of the boys and 36% of the girls passed the test. The percentage of the total who failed is A 62.4, B 62.3, C 61.4, D 60.4. Correct answer is option D 60.4. Angioedema is the adverse drug reaction affecting the dash. A gastrointestinal tract, B liver, C pancreas, D skin. Correct answer is option D skin. As per Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and Rule 1945, which application from the should be used to grant license for manufacture and Ayurvedic and Unani drugs? A 24D, B 24B, C 24A, D 24C. Correct answer is option A 24D. Axis is a bone of A skull, B spinal cord, C leg, D forearm. Correct answer is option B spinal cord. The sum of kinetic and potential energy of an object is its total dash energy. A electrical, B chemical, C mechanical, D thermal. Correct answer is option C mechanical. On dividing a number by 413, we got 58 as a remainder. On dividing the same number by 59, what will be the remainder? A 56, B 54, C 58, D 52. Correct answer is option C 58. Enamel is a constituent of A hair, B teeth, C nail, D bones. Correct answer is option B teeth. What is the SI unit of wavelengths? A hertz, B meter, C decibels, D second. Correct answer is option B meters. The transformation of the larva into adult through drastic change is called as A metamorphosis, B menopause, C reverse osmosis, D budding. Correct answer is option A metamorphosis. Which one of the following is a statistical procedure to detect the difference existing in between two or more samples? A arithmetic mean, B chi-square test, C standard error, D ANOVA. Correct answer is option D ANOVA. Any undesirable change in the physical, chemical or biological feature of air, land and water is called as A pollutant, B pollution, C ecology, D ecosystem. Correct answer is option B, pollution. The ratio by number of atoms of water is H is 2O is equal to A 1 by 2, B 1 by 4, C 2 by 1, D 4 by 1. Correct answer is option C, 2 is to 1. According to Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 and rules of 1945, the insulin preparation should be stored at a temperature of A 9 to 25 degrees Celsius, B below 1 degree Celsius, C 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, D above 25 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is option B, below 1 degree Celsius. Type 3 of drug master file give information about A drug substances, B personal facilities, C packaging material, D exhibitants. Correct answer is option C, packaging materials. Patna city is situated on the bank of the river A Gangas, B Mahanadi, C Brahmaputra, D Yamuna. Correct answer is option A, Ganga. Drugs which are having highly soluble and low permeability are called as A class IV drug, B class 1 drug, C class 3 drug, D class 2 drugs. Correct answer is option C, class 3 drugs. The Indian Army constructed the longest suspension bridge called Maitri across which river? A Narmada, B Indus, C Brahmaputra, D Ganga. Correct answer is option B, Indus. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to Competitive Pharma.